If your cleaning checklist hasn't changed since 2024, your hotel could be at risk. The rules have changed, and so have your responsibilities. Here's what you need to know. Starting this year, the Hotel Safety Act is shaking up the way New York hotels operate. From daily room turnovers to stricter sanitation protocols, compliance isn't just good practice, it's the law. That means direct employment for housekeeping in hotels with 100 rooms or more, mandatory employee safety training, and upgraded cleaning standards across the board. So, where does that leave you? For larger hotels, the focus shifts to specialized cleaning. Think deep cleans in common areas, kitchens, event spaces, and those high-traffic zones guests always notice. Smaller hotels? You can still outsource comprehensive cleaning, but only if your provider knows the regulations inside and out. That's where Flockz Commercial Cleaning Service comes in. As your compliance partner, we don't just clean, we help you meet every new requirement with confidence. Our expert team stays ahead of changing guidelines, delivers meticulous deep cleaning, and offers free consultations to keep you compliant and your guests safe. Don't let the Hotel Safety Act catch you off guard. Partner with us to protect your reputation, your staff, and your guests. Visit flockzcommercialcleaningservice.com today for a free estimate.